Okay, so I'll make this real quick because I'm on power here, but I want to share this for everybody who has the G5s. I've noticed that there's a few discussion groups about this type of issue. So what's happened was the past 2 times I've gone flying, initially my attitude indicator here is not turning on, and what's happening is that the attitude information is dropping down and replacing my HSI. I think that's a design for safety, because if you're using this as primary, it flips down, so that way you're not losing it. So the way that I figured out by searching the interwebs how to get this going again is basically whatever these are connected to, either your master or an alternative power switch, whatever's driving power to this. What you want to do is cut that power off. In most cases it's connected to your master. Sometimes you have an avionics switch up here. Whatever's driving power, turn it off, right? And then hold down the power button and then turn it back on. It's the craziest thing. I don't know why it is, but when you do that, it will cycle the power. It will turn it back on, so it'll be just totally normal. This might be a update issue. There's some talk about that. I know that they're bringing out updates for these all the time, but right now, if you need to go flying or want to go flying and you've noticed that your attitude instrument is gone bad here and it's flipped down and it won't turn on, just merely turning your master on and then off again, cycling that power will not work. You need to hold down the power switch after turning it off. So you would turn everything off, hold the power switch, then turn the power on to the G5 here. Everything runs just fine after that. So I flew quite a bit. Of course, I've got everything on the ground worked out. Everything looked fine. So, I took it around the pattern there and everything looks good. So if that happens again, I'll just do the same thing, and then I'll also see if mine needs an update, and then I will make that update there. So for those who are having issues with their G5s, this happening, it's a pretty easy fix. It may be a design thing, I don't know, but regardless, this is how to fix it. So cycle with the finger on the power end switch. All right, have a good one.